Good morning, friends. Welcome to the SBI Securities Daily Morning Podcast. Today, we will cover global market updates, key corporate development, key economic event to track, key actionable based on fund flow activities. Today, result season is kicking off. So, which are the key results we should keep eye on, and what should be our investment and trading strategy for the next few days? First, let us check what happened in the market yesterday. Yesterday, we saw a lot of positivity as far as domestic market, equity markets are concerned. So markets have digested the war-related news flow and opened in green yesterday. And during the day, it was continuously gaining the strength for the entire day. Yesterday, Sensex and Nifty were up by 0.9%, and Sensex closed at the levels of 66,079, and Nifty was up by again 0.9% and closed at a respectable level of 19,689. In terms of sector, yesterday real estate, metals, banks, and auto were the key gainers, with the showstopper being the real estate sector. So, real estate index is now trading at nearly 15 years high, and it is underpinned by the robust provisional update from all the real estate companies for the September ending quarter. So, with the festival season kicking off, quarter three is one of the best quarter as far as real estate companies are concerned. So, street is very bullish on the entire real estate pack. So we have seen yesterday entire broader market was also in the green with advances to the tune of 2500 number and decline to the tune of 1160 number. So this shows that the market was pretty robust, well diversified rally, well spread out rally. In terms of 52-week high and 52-week low, yesterday we saw 234 stocks scaling 52-week high, and the few prominent name being Angel Broking, Ashoka Buildcon. So there is some particular development which is happening in all these companies, and we are seeing that street is getting very bullish on all these names. So prominent name are Angel, Ashoka Buildcon, Bharti Airtel, all the rating agencies like Care, Crisil, Century Textile, which is again a textile business of Birla Group. Coal India, we have seen scaling above 300 level. Cholafin, small cap companies like Foods and in Gensol, where outlook has turned very positive. We saw buyer circuit in GMDC, led by an expectation that GMDC will be allocated one of the lithium mines. So that was trading at 52-week high. AMC companies like HDFC, AMC, Kalyan, Kolte Patil, LTTS, Prestige, Shobha, Zomato. So lot of names where there is stock specific action is being seen. 28 stocks were trading at a 52-week low, and some of the prominent names are Idea 4 and Rajesh Export. Let us check what happened in global market yesterday. Yesterday we saw a pretty strong closing as far as US and European markets are concerned. So that was led by repeated comment from the Fed member that looking at a US 10-year bond yield, the further rate hike by US Fed may not be required, and that led to the rally in the US market. At the same time, we have seen a cool off in the volatility index in US market by 14% during the last 4 to 5 days. Crude oil continued to remain stable at $87. So yesterday result season has also kicked off in US, and we saw a further upgradation of earning by Pepsi, and at the same time they have told that their India business volume growth is likely to be in double digit for the September ending quarter, and we may see some rub-off effect of this on Varun Beverages today in the trade today. All the Asian indices are trading in green today with a gain to the north of 1%. GIFT Nifty, which is one of the indicator of domestic equity market, is currently trading at 19,790 levels, which indicate that Indian market may open in a positive territory during the day. In terms of fund flow, we have seen foreign institutional investor were seller for 15 consecutive trading day, and yesterday they sold stocks worth 1000 crore, and we have seen continuous buying from domestic institutional investor, and they were buyer to the tune of 1963 crore. So if I sum up overall, it seems that today markets are in much better shape. Globally, sentiments are looking positive. Everywhere there is a green signals which are coming. It seems that markets have digested the majority of the negative news pertaining to geopolitical tension, and however, street will be keenly watching any further escalation of between Israel and Hamas, and at the same time, stock specific action will be seen in the domestic market. Now let us see which are the stock specific news. So today, as we all know, TCS will be announcing their results post market closing. So it is expected that the profit will grow by 3% quarter on quarter basis to the tune of 11,409 crore. At the same time, buyback will be announced along with the results. So it is expected that buyback will be to the tune of 20,000 crore plus. And looking at the historical track record, the buyback price can be at a 20% premium to the current market price. Now, what to track in the TCS results? So one of the three key parameter to track are what is the growth outlook, especially from a discretionary spend from the clients in developed markets. What is the update on hiring? What will be the impact on margin due to the work from home, work from office, which TCS has recently started. So these are the few key commentary to track, and the impact of the TCS results will be seen across all the IT large cap companies. Now let us move on to the next development. So Vascon has one order worth 353 crore from Jharkhand government for construction of a medical college and upgradation of district hospital. So that's the positive development as far as Vascon is concerned. Z Entertainment, again a negative development. Company has been served on appeal on behalf of IDBI Trusteeship Services uh, against it before NCLT Delhi. And the appeal is against the merger of Z Entertainment, Bangla Entertainment, and Kalvar Max Entertainment, which is a Sony. So that's a negative development as far as Z Entertainment is concerned. So there is update from two small cap companies, which is Ugro Capital. The company's AUM has grown by 73% year over year to 7,590 crore in September ending quarter. At the same time, they have went on record to say that collection efficiency has improved by 80 basis point to 97.6%. So that Ugro Capital can be in the focus today. NCL Industry, it's a small cement player. So they have went on record to say that in the month of September, their production was up by 9% year over year, and cement dispatches were up by 11% year over year. So that's the positive news coming in for NCL Industry. In terms of key events, as we have discussed, today the result season will kickstart. So along with TCS, Delta Corp, National Standard, Sami Hotel, Signature Global, and Zagal Prepaid. So Sami, Signature, and Zagal are recently listed company, and they will be announcing their first set of numbers. So 4 to 5 companies are likely to come out with quarterly numbers. On global front, in Germany, we will see an inflation data coming in, CPI data, and at the same time, FOMC meeting minutes will be released today evening, which was held during the last month. So there is no significant activity, noticeable activity from promoter and bulk and block deal yesterday. So we will not cover that section today. So if I conclude the today's discussion, globally the signals are far better today. Markets looking to open in green. Nifty has already crossed its 300-day DMA and is trading close to the 19,700 band. Even in terms of on a fundamental side, so stock specific action can be seen, especially in the domestic consumption stories and a fast growing sector such as auto ancillary, smart meter, infrastructure, railways, defense, jewelry, consumer discretionary pack. And yesterday we have seen upgradation of India's GDP growth by IMF for current year. At the same time, we have seen upgradation of GDP for US for calendar year 23 and 24. So that will have a rub-off effect on Indian market, and we will see a lot of upgrade as far as Indian equity markets are concerned. Now, only hope is that the heavyweights like Reliance and HDFC Bank start participating in the rally. Then we can see a market entering to a new territory. So overall sentiment look positive. Stock specific action will continue to let us focus on the domestic consumption stories, and we can gradually build the position in the cash market. That's all for the day. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a good day.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.